Hello there, my name is McHorse, and in this video, I'll show you a very cool trick Andruxioid showed me. This trick allows you to use any vanilla or modded items anywhere in Blockbuster. Let's go. First, go to the description of the video and download the invisible model. It will let us use the items, unzip the zip, and install the model into models folder, as usual. If you have troubles with this, or you don't know how to do it, check out episode 2 of Blockbuster Academy. So let's say we have a piano from Decacraft mod. We want to put it on a side of the tree. How would we do that? First, grab the piano item, or any other item of your choice. Then place a model block and pick the invisible model in the morph menu. As name implies, it's invisible. Make sure its ID is blockbuster.invisible. Then, you simply put the selected item into the head slot, and you'll see your item. The size, rotation and position might be not the best due to how every mod, or Minecraft, configures these item transformations, but using model blocks fields, you can manually adjust position, rotation and scale to your liking. And here we have a piano attached to a side of the tree. To use items within models, rather than within model block is easy as well, but a bit different. Let's try adding following items on Alex. Go to Edit Morph menu. Select Body Parts panel and add an invisible model again. To add an item onto your invisible model, you select the item in the head slot, as we did in the model block. Now the hardest part is to adjust transformations of this creeper plushie. Once we're done with plushie, let's add a sword. Just add another body part, and it will copy currently selected body part which is the invisible model configured. Change its head item to sword, and attach it to the body. You can pick limbs either in the list, or by clicking on a limb while holding Control key. As I said earlier, different items have different transformations configured by modders, or Mojang, so we have to manually work with it. The remaining items are basically the same thing. Change item, and adjust transformations. I will speed up the footage from here. Once we're finished adding items, we're done. Look at this monstrosity I made. Splendid. If you want to use this trick with BB guns, the approach here is a bit different yet similar to the method we used with Alex. In BB gun configuration menu, whose keybind you have to configure, you need to go to projectile panel and click the projectile morph button. You might be tempted to pick the invisible model, but no, you have to pick an empty model, which was added in Blockbuster 1.6.1. Edit the empty model, and then add the invisible model as the body part. Repeat the steps we did with Alex, and make sure your model is oriented up, because that will be direction in which morphs will be faced when shooting as a projectile. And now we can shoot a knife. Hopefully, you found this trick interesting. This trick also works with emoticons morphs. Now you can add backpacks to your characters. If you need any help whatsoever, please join the Discord server, link in the description, as it's quite difficult for me to help you in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.